Could come at a time when we got snow like we have now.
Yeah. Oh, man, perfect timing. Yeah, for sure. Temperatures have been a little bit cool today, but we're going to warm back up, and we also have a little storm coming through. Let me go and show you what it's like outside. In fact, this was the view up Little Cottonwood Canyon looking back to the west, the sun setting out in the Salt Lake Valley. Some dark clouds. We've had a little bit of light mountain snow today, a few little light rain showers in some of the valleys, but again, we've got a little stalled cold front to the north of us that's going to kind of kick in and get moving tomorrow, but it's pretty weak, and the totals coming out of this little storm are on the very, very low side. This is our live camera in downtown Salt Lake City. You can see some of the sunlight glistening on the buildings as it sets out to the west. Sunset this evening is about right now, actually. So just in the next couple minutes, that sun will drop over the horizon and be done for the day, but it'll be back tomorrow, and we ought to see temperatures a little bit like we saw today. We're talking temperatures in the 50s, but it is going to fall quickly behind this storm system. This picture coming in from Dean Hughes up in Midway, looking back at Temp. What a pretty picture. Man, all that snow. We've been so fortunate this year to get the snowfall that we need in our mountains. The water in that snowfall is fantastic. And the pattern, let's just hope it keeps coming. We need that to go all the way through the month of March and into April. Vortex radar. A few light showers over central southern Utah this afternoon, a little bit of snow up in the mountains. This is, again, just a little bit of precipitation kind of being drawn in ahead of that little frontal boundary that's just north of us. Salt Lake City, we've had a few little light rain showers. Nothing big, but Murray got a little bit of rain. In fact, it wet the freeways down, a little bit of snow up in the mountains. Had a report in from Steve Coons in Montpelier. They got 3 inches yesterday. They got 4 inches of snow today, so just a little bit north of the Utah line, and a little bit of rain-snow mix out over the West Desert area. Our temperatures, 40s from Logan all the way south to Cedar City, 49 in Vernal, 54 in Moab, and 63 in St. George. Elko is currently 41. So here's a low pressure center. You can see it spinning here in Southern California. It's going to try to move inland and start to bring a little bit of precipitation over towards Las Vegas and into areas of Nevada. This little stalled boundary holds tonight, but will kick through tomorrow. So here it holds a little bit of moisture ahead of it, so a chance for a little bit of rain and snow, especially south of Salt Lake. Then during the day tomorrow, that's where this storm front will go, delivering 1/10 of an inch, maybe a little bit more to central Utah, but by Friday, it's gone, and in comes an area of high pressure. Here's the totals. Very, very light north of Salt Lake, 100th or 2. Provo picks up about 1/10. Richfield and Loa do the same. Same to Cedar City. St. George, 0.03. I think it'll be probably less than that, but the potential is there, at least for a little bit of rain. So central Utah tomorrow, it'll be a light storm, a fast-moving storm, but a chance for a few scattered rain showers. Cedar City, lots of clouds and 50. St. George, I'm going cloudy. There will be some rain around, but very, very limited. We're back to mostly sunny skies on Friday, and then mid-60s turn to upper 60s as we roll out of the weekend and into early next week. Forecast for the Wasatch Front. Tonight, we're dropping down into the 20s. There will be clouds around tomorrow, Logan, West Valley. I've added some rain and snow south of Salt Lake, so Sandy to Eagle Mountain, Provo, Spanish Fork, as well as in the mountains, Morgan and Park City. That will be early in the day in northern Utah, diminishing potential by midday and afternoon. It's all gone by tomorrow night. Out comes the sunshine for our Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temperatures, a little cool Friday. But how about 50s to near 60 for the weekend and lots of sun? Another chance of storms come in next Tuesday and Wednesday, but looks like the weekend's going to be great, and tomorrow's storm, really, really wimpy.
Okay, so this is like our, what, third spring? Or
I know, it just keeps coming, doesn't it? Which one's real? Yeah.
All right, JJ, the Cougs seem to be